Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope all of you well. Welcome to channel Talashak with Amir Hashmi. Today we will discuss about your mobile internet and your mobile battery. How to save your mobile internet and increase your mobile battery. I will share 3 steps. If you do follow these 3 steps, then your internet will be safe and your battery life will increase. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to come to your settings. Your mobile setting, and now you have to scroll down, press system setting or mobile setting, open this setting. Now you can see backup, press this backup. Now you can see this check off, this is on. You have to check off this setting, turn off this setting. If you turn on this setting, your internet is using on background, your apps, your system using your internet or also using your battery. Secondly, you have to come your app setting. This is app setting or app management. Open this setting and then you have to open app setting. These are all apps in your phone. You have to do one thing in all your applications to save your internet or battery. First of all, for example, 8 ball pool. Now you can see mobile data and Wi-Fi. Press these settings and now you can see background data is check is on. You have to check off this setting. Background data means if you are not using this apps or any other apps, then this apps using your internet. In this way your internet will decreasing immediately and your bell battery will also decrease soon. Now next application is, for example, Chrome browser, similarly mobile data and Wi-Fi. Open this app and also check off background data. You have to do this setting in all your apps. I hope you understand. Thirdly, you have to open your Play Store of your phone. This is Play Store. Open it. You have to open your settings. You have to press this. When you open it, you can see settings. You have to open settings. Now you press general setting. Now here, the main step is here. You have to, you can see auto update apps. Press it. Now you have to understand these steps. Over any network, over Wi-Fi only, not auto update. When you check only Wi-Fi or only over any network, when net is connected, your app will update automatically. If you have low internet, then will your internet finished immediately. You have to do not auto updates. Secondly, autoplay videos. You have to check do not autoplay videos, and these are simple 3 steps. If you do these steps in your phone, your internet will be doubled and your mobile battery will increased. I hope you understand. Please like and subscribe channel Talashak with Amir Hashmi and wait for next video. Thanks.